Before I read the question, I understand that I've got to use something to do with a circle, so I'm either thinking pi r squared or I'm thinking pi d. One gives me the area, one gives me the circumference. So let's read the question. A circle's a radius of 6, a square's length of 12 centimetres. Work out the difference between the two areas. I've got to then answer it to one decimal place. So I'm using the area of a circle. Now if you listen to that song, pi r squared sounds like area to me. So I'm going to have pi r squared for the area of a circle, and then I'm going to do length times width for the area of the square. So let's figure it out. Pi r squared is the area of a circle, and I know the radius is 6 on the diagram. So in my calculator I'm just going to do pi times 6 squared. The area of a square, because the sides are the same size, I can just do 12 squared, which I already know is 144. If you're not sure, use your calculator. When I put this in the calculator, the pi button is what you're going to use. Do not use 3.14. This is a calculator subject. It's not going to be a multiplication subject where you have to actually show you can times 3.14. I want you just to use the calculator. So if I do pi r squared, pi times 6 squared, use the buttons to effect, so it makes it quicker. Gives me in terms of pi, which is useful when you've got questions that says leave in terms of pi, but you don't want that, you actually want it as a decimal. Because the question is asking me to then round to one decimal place, what it's actually telling you is that if you keep it to 2 decimal places till the very end, then you're not going to have a rounding error. So I'm going to write down 113.097. So when I continue to calculate with this, I'm not going to have any mistakes. Okay. Now, the key word that's telling you what to do is the word difference. In maths, that means take away. So you're going to take away the two different numbers, one from the other. Now, what I can do if I'm trying to use my calculator effectively is do 12 squared, take away in brackets pi times 6 squared, and I'll save myself the hassle of having a rounding error because the calculator can do it all for me. Okay, so we use the tool effectively. And that gives me 30.9. So what I'm going to actually show is 144 take away 113.097, which gives me 30.903 when I round it off this calculator, and then I'm going to round it to one decimal place. When rounding, it's very, very simple. I want it to one decimal place, so it's going to be there when I round it. You ask yourself, stay the same, or you tell yourself stay the same, or goes up by 1, so 40.0. The first number to be rounded away is the one that determines whether it's higher or lower. So is it 5 or above? No, so it stays the same, so 30.9. Unit's already there, so it's done.